Most business owners walk into a bank asking one question: how much can I borrow? But the better question is, how predictable does my business look from the outside? Because lenders are not just looking at ambition, they are looking for patterns: consistent revenue, clean books, separated business and personal expenses, a clear reason for the money, and a realistic plan to pay it back. Before you need funding, build the kind of business a lender can understand in 5 minutes. Keep your financial statements updated. Know your margins. Track your cash flow. Pay obligations on time. And document the story behind your growth. A strong business is not just one that makes money. It is one that can explain where the money comes from, where it goes, and what happens next. That is what gives you options. Hi, I'm Jacquelyn Jackson with TDJ Equity Funding. For years, we've helped business owners and real estate investors across the country secure millions in funding. And what most people don't realize is this: getting approved is not just about revenue or credit scores anymore. It's about positioning. Many established business owners are being denied because of things they don't even realize are hurting their file. A lot of business owners take whatever funding they can get in the beginning just to survive or grow. And sometimes that creates a chain reaction that later blocks access to the larger funding they actually need. In fact, we recently worked with a construction company that generated over $25 million in revenue. On paper, they looked successful, but because of debt stacking and how their funding profile was structured, they couldn't even qualify for a $60,000 loan. That's the part most business owners never understand. The problem is not always the business. The problem is how the business is positioned to lenders. After restructuring their funding approach and repositioning their file properly, they were able to secure the working capital they needed and later walked away with a $2.5 million line of credit. That's exactly why we created our Executive Funding Positioning and Capital Access Program.
We analyze your business from an underwriter's perspective and identify what's helping you, what's hurting you, what lenders are really seeing, and most importantly, what needs to be fixed before your next application. And every funding application tells a story. We work directly with lenders, underwriters, and funding professionals to position businesses for approval. Call TDJ Equity Funding today at 214-561-7109 or book a discovery call at www.tdjequityllc.net. Because going into a bank unprepared could cost you more than just a denial.